Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to add a friend on Steam. And you when you want send an invitation and add a friend on, you need to pay $5 for in any game, or you need to recharge $5 to do it that with that option. When you go to Steam, you need to go to the option of your profile here. And after that, if you want to add a friend and use the code, if you want to add a friend, if you go here in friends and you want to pick here añadir un amigo, this is add friend on English. And after that, if you want to add a friend using the code that he can send to you, you want to pay $5 for that. But if you want to add a friend and you don't have the $5, the only thing you need to do is say to the friend, he need send to you this link, and after that you need to pay that link in the navigator. And here, and when you pay the link in the navigator, you can add that friend without pay. So remember, you can add a friend on Steam if that friend sent to you the link of invitation, not the code, because when you use the code you need to pay $5. So this is the process. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.